childhood foundations of learning. We know that children thrive in their learning if they have access to quality learning and teaching resources. Same goes for the teachers. If the teachers feel that they're well supported, they are able to teach quality learning in the classrooms. Now, Bokbelong Pikinini has been working with Theodist since 2014. Theodist is a gold sponsor of Bokbelong Pikinini. Their support throughout the years have amounted to a minimum of 350,000 kina. Apart from that sponsorship that they provide, the in-store sponsorship that Theodist provides, Theodist has also supported Bokbelong Pikinini in a more holistic approach. Theodist has supported Bokbelong Pikinini by providing assistance with printing, advocacy, materials, resources, product development, and most importantly, they've supported us with the corner in the shop here. So that's the bookshop here. That's the buy books for Bokbelong Pikinini and have with that, with what Bokbelong Pikinini does, we're able to do what we do because of great sponsors or support from community-minded companies like Theodist. So in today's event, we would like to acknowledge that. We're grateful for that support. We're grateful to Theodist for coming on board again this year with that annual sponsorship. We look forward to working with Theodist in the years to come as we help promote early childhood literacy and learning.